Welcome, I'm very happy to see you here, and if you are interested in IT related topics, please subscribe and hit the like button. This video is about Upwork. I have been freelancing on Upwork for 3 months now, and I have gained my 100% job success score as well as my 1K on Upwork. But this video is not about my success score. It's about my mistakes on Upwork, so that you will not do the same again. Like, you will not do these mistakes. Firstly, do not join Upwork too early. I mean, when you do not have the skills in your expertise. I personally joined Upwork 2 years ago when I was a freelance. I was a first grade student at university, freshman. So I had a little bit of knowledge, no real world experience. I knew basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I applied for lots of jobs. I applied and without luck, so then I applied for translator jobs as I knew English, but no luck again. So I just left the platform and lost the hope and just forgot about it. The reason why I'm telling you not to join early is because even if you get a job, you will most likely get a bad rating because of your low skills and experience. So, and it's really hard to get a job with low skills. There are lots of people who are not yet good at their expertise, looking for beginner jobs, and it's very competitive. Okay, let's move to the second mistake. This happened when I joined 3 months ago. So I was joining Upwork 3 months ago in summer. This time it was not because of my skills. This time it was because my innocent mistake. I joined Upwork with another email. So it means I had two profiles on Upwork, which I didn't know. I filled up my newly fresh profile with lots of work examples and descriptions and lots of things. I tried to make it beautiful, and I passed the Upwork readiness test. I had lots of connects. Connects are used for applying jobs on Upwork, so I had lots of them. I almost used all of my connects on applying on job proposals. Then in just few days it became clear that Upwork has blocked my profile. So they messaged me and said that I had two profiles on the Upwork platform, and it was illegal. So they just closed both of them, and I replied back, and I was lucky to get my profile, one of my profiles back, but it had a stamp, like it was not visible for clients, but it was a very big barrier in my way to getting rising talent badge. I had like profile suspension in the latest 3 months. It was a very big mistake that I made. So the second mistake, do not repeat it. Do not open two Upwork profiles on that platform, or you will get either blocked or at least that stamp, like suspension. So let's move on. The third error that I made was not keeping 100% ready Upwork profile. As soon as I opened it, I added some projects, and it was like 90% ready account. I thought it was enough, which it wasn't. So I applied for jobs, I landed on jobs, I got an offer, I got good ratings, but later on I found out that if I had 100% full profile, I would have got rising talent. and I still think it was impossible for me as I had that suspension, the second error that I made. But I can tell you, like, if you start Upwork career, pay attention to filling your profile 100% before you apply to any job. Fill it with your work examples, fill it with everything, with add projects, add video links, so that your profile will be 100 ready and you will have these projects. And for such freelancers, Upwork gives a beautiful badge, Rising Talent, and it attracts lots of clients. It makes it very easy for you to get your first job. So that was 3 mistakes that I made while joining Upwork, and I am planning to make a video about other mistakes that I made during my time working on Upwork. So if you are interested, please leave a comment below and wait for the updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.